Okay, this is what a mobile lighting setup looks like. I'm shooting in the RV. I just want to show you this. I've got this softbox running right here. It is an umbrella softbox. It literally crunches down to the size of a handheld umbrella. It's got a little LED light running behind it at about 75%, which I can control the temperature of that. I've got some warm lights over here kind of bouncing around on the inside of the RV. Then over here, of course, I have these lights for effect, and then I'm pulled really in close here, and so I've got the light. Whoa! I've got the light, and I'm shooting on a little action camera, so that's super portable too, and the tripod that it's on is just really a selfie stick with a base. And so I've got that light, I've got those lights, I've got these lights, and then I am sitting a hand's width away from the camera itself, and the microphone is right in my face. So I am able to see everything, talk, do all the things that I need to do. The air is running, of course, right now, but I won't have that on when I'm doing a video. But for the most part, everything else here is portable, fits in a bag, I can take anywhere, and I'm really excited about this setup. It feels really good, and I have this space to be able to make these videos, to make faces, to do whatever it is that I want to do, and I can also take this with me. I've made a series of walking and talking videos. I like to make those in the morning when my mind is waking up and I've got all these thoughts going on, and experiences from the previous day that I'm processing, and journal thoughts that I'm working through and bringing to the foreground and everything. And I'm just really excited about this. This is going to be a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to sharing all of it with you. And so I want to know what it is that you want to talk about. Let's talk about the things that are challenging for you. Let's talk about the things that are that you want to accomplish. Let's talk about your goals. Let's talk about living. Let's talk about traveling and going and paying off your credit cards and improving your relationship and being comfortable in your own skin first and foremost, right? Because everything comes from that place of being, right? This is not a place to get to. We're not chasing something that's on the horizon. This is not a do, have, be channel, right? We're not going to do our way to happiness. We're going to start with happiness, and then we are going to do from a place of being happy, being patient, being calm, being confident, being loving, being whole. And then we're going to do from that place, and then we're going to have experiences from that place. So let's talk about it. Tell me what you want to talk about, and I look forward to having that conversation with you. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, yeah, get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil, scribe something, scribe a letter to a friend. But while you're doing that, before you do that, subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I appreciate your support. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.